truth. Got the tank back together. Fuel pump's going. Neutral. Tomorrow putting all this shit back together, but I'm going to enjoy that because the hardest part is done. I just got to put all my shit back together. I'm going to rotate these bars back a little bit now that I put the risers on, but super stoked. It was kind of a pain in the ass, but there's some guys in the Facebook groups for the Tenere. I think they may be from Europe somewhere. They gave me the tip for the JB Weld. Pro tip. Use the JB Weld. Do not use the gosh dang grip glue with these Yamaha OEM grip warmers because it was barely going on with no glue on it, and there's no way that you can not twist it or crunch it or anything. So I'm going with the JB Weld. That's you know, I think that's the way to go. Anyway.